Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, the Hours Listening Test channel. Hope you all are doing well and having a great days. In this video, I'm going to discuss with you the questions of writing module that has already came in previous IELTS exam in the year 2020. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the statement of questions so that you can have an idea about the format of the question, that what sort of questions has already came in exam. So without wasting much time, let's start with the video. I'm going to give you the 10 questions that has already came in previous exam. Starting with the first one, this questions has came in year 2020. So in writing task 1, the question was percentage of people of different age groups who went to cinema once a month in UK of year 1984 to 2003. This was the statement of the question and it was the bar graph. And in task 2, the statement was people living in the 21st century have a better quality of life than the previous centuries. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So in task 2, the question was to what extent do you agree or disagree? Moving to the next, in next paper, the task 1 was table and the statement of task 2 was giving detailed information of crime in newspapers and on television has bad consequences. Some suggest that government should impose some restriction on them. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So this question was also to what extent do you agree or disagree with the statement. Talking about the next question, the task 1 was bar graph and along with bar graph, the statement of writing task 2 was some people think that to be successful, you need to get in university education, whereas others says it is not true. Discuss both ideas and give your own opinion. So this question was related to discuss the both views. You have to discuss on both the views, either that is university education is important or not, and then you have to give your own opinion. Next question in task 1 was the process chart and the statement of writing task 2 was there are several factors that motivate people to stay in workforce. Among them, money is the most important factor or the reason for the same. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So this question was also about agree or disagree with the statement. Next question, the task 1 was about bar graph and the task 2 statement was economic progress is one way to measure the success of one country, while some people think there are other factors. What other factors should be considered? What other factors should be considered? Within these factors, do you think anyone is more important than the others? So you have to read the question very carefully because you have to go for the task achievement. From this question, you can get an idea that what sort of questions has already came in exam, how they twist the question. So you have to understand the question very carefully. In this, they have asked 2 to 3 questions. That economic progress is one way to measure the success of one country, while some people think that there are other factors. So you should know what are the other factors. What other factors should be considered, and within that factors, do you think anyone is more important? The factors which you are going to discuss, from that factor, is there another factor which is more important? So you have to discuss all the things in the writing task 2. So this was the writing task 2 statement, and in task 1 there was a bar graph. So the next question was, in task 1, it was the combination of line and table. And the statement of writing task 2 was, people's shopping habits depend more on age group they belong than other factors. Do you agree or disagree? So here you have to discuss people's shopping habit with the age group. So either you agree with this statement or not. The next question was, the task 1 was diagram and the statement of task 2 was, many people think that zoos which keep wild animals in a man-made environment should no longer exist in the 21st century. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this statement? So here they asked about like zoos with the wild animals with man-made environment should exist in 21st century. Either it should exist or not. So to what extent do you agree or disagree with this statement? Moving toward the next question. Next question, in task 1 it was the process chart and task 2 statement was, nowadays we see more advertisement on the streets and on our TV screens. What are the advantages and disadvantages of these? These means these advertisements which are presented on TV as well as on streets. So you here they asked to talk about the advantages and disadvantages of advertisements. The next question, in task 1 it was the process chart and in task 2 the question was, among internet, radio, TV and newspaper, which has the greatest effect on social activity of people? And you have to give reasons of that thing, that why that activity, that why it's affect the social activity of people. Talking about the next question, in task 1 it was the bar graph and in task 2 the question was, some people think children should attend extra classes after school while others disagree. Discuss both opinions and give your own view. So here also you have to like tell either to discuss both the views with your opinion. I hope this video will really help you to understand the format and the structure of questions, that what sort of questions has came in exam, so that you guys can prepare yourself with the format of questions, not with these statements but the format of question, that how they are asking questions and how you have to go for the task achievement. So I hope this video will really help you in your preparation. If you want us to make more videos like this, you can comment in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe.